How to remove Meta AI from Instagram. So if you want to remove the Meta AI from your Instagram, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, go for the messages, which is on the upper right. Once you're here on the messages, you can go for the edit option, which is on the upper right. Tap on the edit or the pencil shaped icon, and here you need to simply search for Meta AI. Once you search for Meta AI, tap on the Meta AI, and from here you can tap on OK, and you can chat with the Meta AI, right? So if you want to remove this Meta AI from your Instagram, then what you need to do is simply go back, and then you can go for the settings, and under your settings you need to scroll down, go for the apps, tap on see all apps, and then you can open up your Instagram under your settings. So once you've searched or once you've found the Instagram, tap on the Instagram on your settings and go for the storage and cache option, and under that you need to clear your cache, and the main thing you need to do is clear your storage. So once you tap on clear storage, you can tap on delete and clear your storage. Once you clear your storage, you will remove the Meta AI from your Instagram. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.